For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, my name is Hitendra Soneji. I am a corporate trainer. Today we are going to discuss about communication skills. Let us see what are these skills and why are these communication skills important. Have you ever noticed in the newspaper advertisements of any corporates, any vacancy advertisements coming in the newspaper, what it reads, what it says, that we require such and such qualification candidate, such and such experience of the candidate, age of the candidate, right, and the degree of the candidate, everything they mention. And they mention one important line, very important line they mention, and it is mentioned below the advertisement at the end. What it says, they require everything. They require a graduate person, MBA person, PhD person, highly qualified persons, highly experienced persons. They want everything, but the most important thing the corporate wants is must have communication skills. Now what are these skills? What is communication? So communication, it does not refer to how we talk. Communication refers to how we express our feelings, how we express our ideas, and how we make understand our ideas to the other person. By just talking, is the person able to understand what we are trying to say? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Usually what happens when you say to someone, do this job for me, so usually what the other person says? Yes. Nobody will say no, everybody says yes. And the second question you ask him, whether he has followed what work he has to do, then also he will say yes. Not like this, but like this. Yes. And we also start assuming that whatever I have asked him to do, he has understood. No, this is our assumption. This is our assumptions. Now what happens? At the end of the day, when we ask him, have you finished that job which has been given to you in the morning? Now that gentleman is confused. Number one, he is confused because he has not understood what you are trying to say. Secondly, if he has not understood and he has done something different work, so what will happen? Right? You get angry. What are you doing? I have not asked you to do this, I have asked you to do this. Then we start scolding him. We get angry on him. All frustrations come out because what task have been given to the other person has not been completed as per our own requirement. Now for the simple reason, why? Why so? Why this scene has happened? Why this scene created? Why that person was not able to do the task? For the simple reason, because he has not understood due to miscommunication. What we do in communication, we assume the things. We start assuming many things. Whatever I say to you, you have already understood. Right? So, basically what we should be doing? Basically, we should be following certain basic rules of communication. We have to learn this skill by applying the basic rules in our daily day-to-day life, which will help not only in our professional life but in personal life also. It is going to help us. Now, two things have to be kept in mind while communication. Once when you communicate with someone or you are giving some task to someone to complete it, and when you ask him whether he has understood the task or not, remember, the person will always say yes. Now the basic rule applies over here. The implementation of the rule applies here. You have to confirm your communication. You have to confirm your communication by asking question. What have you understood? The task which I have given you, whether you have understood or not. He says yes. Now you are asking question to him. What have you understood? Now whatever mistakes the other person is going to make, he is going to make in your conversations. He will not make mistakes in actual work, in actual task. So you can correct him over here during the conversations. So once the conversation is clear, the understanding is clear, so the task is clear, so the person will never make mistake in his job, right? So ask for confirmations. Whenever you say something or whenever you assign a task to someone, ask for confirmation. What have he understood regarding that particular task? And if he says the same thing as what you have told him, that means now he is going to complete that task successfully, right? This is the part one. Then part two, the basic rule. When somebody is talking to you, somebody is communicating with you, or somebody is asking you to do something, what you have to do, you have to acknowledge him. You have to acknowledge him by repeating the keywords. Okay, communication. Okay, fine. So there are two-way communication. Okay, in communication there is one sender. Okay, one receiver. Okay, asking, when we give the task to someone, we have to ask for confirmation. Okay, when somebody is talking to us, we have to give acknowledgement. Okay, okay, okay. That means what? By acknowledging what we are showing to the other person, that what you are talking to me, what you are conveying the message to me, it is clearly understood by me. That is acknowledgement. That is very, very important. Your relationship, your entire growth of career depends upon your communication, how you communicate effectively. By successfully communicating, your growth is much faster than others. So two things keeping in mind in communication is, when you talk to someone, get the confirmation. When somebody is talking to you, you give the acknowledgement. Now in this world, there are two types of people. One, those who only listen. They only listen. And the second type of person, they not only listen, but they try to understand what you are trying to say. The person who tries to understand your things will always do the right thing, and he will get success. And your relationship with everyone will be good. You will improve your relationships, you will have a strong bonding with everyone, your colleagues, your family members, your relationship, your friends, your relatives, everybody will be nicely bonded with you if you communicate effectively with all. Thank you very much.
For detailed learning on all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.